Welcome to my Facebook tutorial on how to configure your new Facebook page. First, let's get rid of this ugly question mark by clicking Change Picture. We'll upload a new profile picture. We'll select an image from our computer. Facebook will upload the picture. This is very familiar if you have a personal Facebook account. What's not familiar to many is that you need to click the pencil, hover over the picture again, click the pencil to the right of Change Picture, and edit your thumbnail. Often the thumbnail that Facebook creates from your picture is not quite right. In this case, we're going to drag Tim's head down just a little bit, center his face, and we're going to click Save. Handy little thing many people forget to do. Excellent. Now it's important that we edit the information. I had already located the Info tab prior to this tutorial and input that Tim was in Lakeville, Minnesota. Trust me, you want to do this even if you don't put the full address in, simply to help with the URL. And so we're going to click Edit on the Info tab. And if you have not already put in the city and town, make sure you do that first. So you could type Lakeville, Minnesota, and Facebook will pre-populate all known addresses in the United States. So click the address. Sometimes you have to click it twice and make sure it fills in there. Now put the address in, the zip code, and the phone number. You can put your office hours in later for sake of brevity in this tutorial. And general information. We'll save these changes. Now we want to make sure we click Done Editing here at the top. Don't forget to do that. On the left side of the wall, or the Info tab, we're going to see our profile picture and then a box that says Write Something About Us. So click here and say, I am an insurance agent. My website is, make sure you put in the http:// so that it hyperlinks. After you type that in, either hit the space bar or the enter key. Click outside the box and everything should take. I'm sure you'll find something more creative. Go back to your wall and that should refresh the information box to show you the information you just entered in the Info tab. All right, let's jump over to the fun stuff, Edit Page. From the Edit page, I'll let you look later at the settings. There's nothing here you need to change. And on mobile, you can learn how to publish using your cell phone. What's important is that you click Wall Settings, Edit. Edit the wall settings. Change the default view for the wall to include Post by Page and Fans. We're going to come back to the default Landing tab. You leave this checked, Auto Expand Comments, but it's very important, unless you're a brave soul, that you uncheck fans' ability to post photos, videos, and links. It's up to you if you want to allow fans to write or post their own content on the wall. I would encourage you to do that. They always can post comments on your post. So you might as well let them post their own post, but you definitely do not want to allow them to post photos, videos, or links unless you're really closely monitoring your wall. So click Hide when these changes are made. Scroll down through the applications and look for the FBML tab. There should be one or more of those if you followed the instructions from my previous tutorial. Click Edit. And here's the name of the tab or the box. We're going to change that to Welcome. And then we're going to paste the code that was supplied to you. If you've had me do this, I will have already put this in here for you. What's important to know is that you can change the name of that tab anytime, quite simply by coming back to the editing portion of this tab. You can also edit any words you want. Be aware some of the style code is at the front of this. If you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see where the link for the image is. And that can be edited to any image anywhere on the web. and you're also going to see the text that I put in here for you. Continue to scroll down, save changes, and we're waiting for Facebook. Excellent, we're back. Facebook has saved the changes. You want to make sure changes are saved as you see here. Go back to Edit, and you're back on your Edit page. You'll notice now that you named the tab in the box that the word Welcome, which is what we named it, is now showing up. What you want to do here is click Application Settings. This is important. You want to add this application as a tab. Do that first and then remove the box. And please do it in that order. Click OK. Refresh your browser. And you'll now notice that a link to this tab is showing up. If you click that, you'll see that there is a link supplied. You can use this anywhere on the web. You can also use it in any emails you send. Click OK. One more time, link to this tab, pops up a link for this tab. Again, I'll click OK. Now what you want to do is you want to click Edit again under Wall Settings. Now the default landing tab, which goes currently to your Info tab, can be changed to your Welcome tab. Notice what we did. We chose the default landing tab. We changed it from Info to Welcome. What that means is that anytime someone who is not a fan or does not like your page comes to your Facebook page, the Welcome tab is the first page that they will see, or the first tab that they will see. This is also the first tab anyone will see when they are not logged into Facebook. Unfortunately, Facebook does not allow this to be the default tab every time a fan or someone who likes your page comes here. So we'll go ahead and hide these wall settings, and that's really all that there is to do. What I'm going to do is go look at this in a new browser and pretend that I am visiting this page for the first time and I'm not logged into Facebook. I refresh this page and there is our new Welcome tab.